What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and today I have some everyday cleaning motivation for you. In today's Clean With Me, I'm basically just checking things off of my cleaning to-do list and tackling each mess room by room. I'm starting off in the bedroom. It is actually the afternoon when I was filming this, so I already made the bed, and for the most part the bedroom was clean, but I had a ton of laundry that needed to be folded, so that is the first thing I'm going to tackle. I put on a good show and started folding. Now that I finally finished that mound of laundry, I'm going to put everything away, and then there are a couple of things that I was not able to tackle earlier on in the morning, so I'm just going to pick up and do a quick tidy up in this room. In this corner, I had my vision board hanging up and it did fall, so I had it just sitting on the chair. So I tried to put it up with a little nail, and unfortunately it ended up falling a little bit later. But do you guys like to make vision boards every single year and make a goal for the visions that you have set? And it really does help you work towards it every single day. I definitely plan on doing another video, so make sure that you guys are subscribed because that is definitely going to be a good one. Working my way over to Riley's room, of course, it definitely needed to be tidied up, but first things first, I definitely needed to change her sheets. They needed to be washed and I needed to put some fresh ones on the bed. So that is what I'm starting off by doing. And then I'm going to work my way around the room like I typically do and pick up every little toy or anything else that is found on the floor or out of place.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that
Thankfully, her room really wasn't too bad, just a few things that were out of place. So the only thing left to do is to vacuum the floor, and then I'm gonna head downstairs and tackle the family room and also the living room.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother.
Downstairs in the family room, honestly, there were only a couple of things that needed to be picked up, but the sliding door that we had so many like different like handprints and all of that stuff, so I definitely wanted to wipe that down with some Windex. But thankfully it really wasn't too bad. This is an area that we do like to hang out a lot in, so typically there's things sprawled all over this room, but today I caught it on a good day and I'm trying to keep up with everything. It definitely took me about 5 minutes. I was in and out.
I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly.
Working my way over to the living room, we were playing Barbies earlier on in the day, so I'm going through and just putting everything back in her playroom just to keep on top of things. And anytime you guys see when the pillows are a hot mess, that typically means that Riley was playing hide and go seek or climbing all over the couch. So I always like to go in and just organize them, put them back in their rightful place.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to.
I hope this clean with me was just the motivation that you needed to tackle anything on your to-do list. If you're looking for more cleaning motivation, I have all of my playlists linked down below. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you guys right back here in a couple of days with another video. Bye!